Do you want smoother, healthier hair and glowing skin? It all starts with a simple change, switching to satin.
Welcome to Rain Hair Essential, where self-care is not just a routine, it's a lifestyle. Hey, and I'm Shireen, and I'm here to give your hair and skin all that it deserves without the hassle.
Satin reduces friction, prevents breakage, and keeps your hair moisturized. It is also great for your skin, helping to minimize dryness and wrinkles. Plus, satin works on all hair types, especially curly and natural hair. Start your routine with a satin bonnet to protect your hair while you sleep. Pair it with a satin pillowcase for extra protection. Perfect for nights when your bonnet slips off. Satin scarves are stylish and protect your hair during the day. Use them as a headband or a wrap, and swap out regular hair ties for satin scrunchies. They're gentler and reduce breakage. For an extra tip, keep your satin products clean by rotating them, and consider satin pillowcases for kids too. Pair your satin routine with a hydrating hair care product for best results. Ready to start your satin journey? Check out our collection linked below. Let me know your hair care questions in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tips. Thanks for watching. Starts here with satin. See you next time.